wish, baby, we don't have to talk. I guess I just know, 'cause you were not that honest with me. You don't have to explain me, yeah. Now you're really sorry, yeah. Now you're already over it, yeah. It's not for me, I think it.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video, I have some speed cleaning motivation for you. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope it motivates you and inspires you to tackle your to-do list today. If you are brand new here, hey, what's up? My name is Jessa. I hope you guys consider subscribing. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it, and let's jump into it.
That you bring me gift doesn't mean I love you. You put a love on the highest and you put in the fire to me. How can I forget that? It's not Are you really sorry? Yeah. Are you already over it? Yeah. We don't have to talk. I guess I just know. 'Cause you were not that honest with me. You don't have to explain me. Yeah. Are you really sorry? Yeah. Are you already over it? Yeah. It's not for me, I think it's for you. That you bring me gift doesn't mean I love you. You put a love on the highest and you put in the fire to me. How can I forget that? It's not for me, I think it's for you. That you bring me gift doesn't mean I love you. You put a love on the highest and you put in the fire to me. How can I forget that?
So you guys have to let me know how you guys are doing with spring cleaning. Have you even started yet? Are you done? I am still in the middle of it. Unfortunately, I was pretty sick all weekend, this past weekend. I had a really bad migraine. I'm not sure like what's going on with that. I'm much better, but I definitely lost some valuable time. I had like all these hopes and dreams for like this really super productive weekend, and it just didn't happen. That is okay. Like life gets in, but I still do have a lot of spring cleaning to do. And if you are brand new here, I'm in the middle of repainting my entire house as well as spring cleaning. So I've definitely set aside some time this coming week to tackle my laundry room and kind of refocus and get that done. The laundry room's been like half done for like over a month now, and I just need to like put my head down and do it. But yeah, let me know how you guys are doing. Are you done? Are you not done? What's your favorite thing to spring clean? And what's your least favorite thing to spring clean? I would love to hear from you guys in the comments.
Tell me who broke your heart, 'cause I could tell you who demolished mine. Tell me how you got those scars. I'll find the beauty in every line across your skin. It's like you're convinced that you're stuck the way you are, driving in your car to reach a dead end. Is that all this is? It's cool if you think that I'm wasting my time, but you've gotta stop holding me back. What's up with that? I don't wanna love you. Try to convince, use every trick that's up my sleeve. I don't wanna beg you. You're pushing me away. It's like you're convinced that you're stuck the way you are. Driving in your car to reach a dead end. Is that all this is? It's cool if you think that I'm wasting my time, but you've gotta stop pulling me back. What's up with that? I don't wanna love you. Try to convince, use every trick that's up my sleeve. I don't wanna beg you. Show you my soul. If you're gonna hold it all against me, when you push me enough to pay. You're pushing me away. I've been going off for broke for my friends to like me, oh, but I know they see right through me cause they listen to my songs, yeah. But I don't care, no baby, I don't care. People always tell me take a breath, hey, hey, hey. I've been looking for something that haunts me all night. I've been staying up hours until the sunrise. Just so casual, always living the same life. I don't really mind, but I just need to take some time to get away. Is there something I could take for this pain to go away? Cause I've tried 100 methods and they always seem to fail. Am I crazy? Don't tell me I'm crazy. I just need to find another way. Hey, hey, hey. I've been looking for something that haunts me all night. I've been staying up hours until the sunrise. Just so casual, always living the same life. I don't really mind, but I just need to take some time to get away. Take some time for me, myself, and I. Cause I'm so bloody tired, yeah. But I'm alright, trust me, babe, I'm alright. I'll just sit back and enjoy the ride. I've been looking for something that haunts me all night. I've been staying up hours until the sunrise. It's so casual, always living the same life. I don't really mind, but I just need to take some time to get away.
So my kitchen is done. Nothing crazy here, guys. Like I said, this was a speed clean and I just wanted to tackle some of the spaces that really needed my attention. So my kitchen is done, and I also wanted to let you know that the candle on my stove is called Frozen Lake. It's from Bath and Body Works, and it's one of my favorite candles from there. I feel like it transitions really well from like winter to spring and spring to summer. I really, really am obsessed with that candle. So, moving on into my dining room, this is actually day two. I filmed this clip the next day. And my dining room is always the space that is the catch all, and I really need to get more organized. But the dining room just really tends to become a dumping ground. So, like you can see, like I have like a plant pot, and I have like Evie's schoolwork and her crafts and her iPad, and just The dining room can get really cray really easily. So I really need to work on like actually putting things away versus just putting them on the dining room table. But I'm going to start by taking our paper snowflakes down. I think it's time. Evie was actually really, really sad to see those go. We worked really hard on those, but I actually think we're going to do some like paper flowers. I think that would be like a fun craft to do to transition into spring. So the snowflakes are gone, and it's like, oh my goodness, it's really happening. It's really springtime. I'm so excited. It last week we had 2 days that were over 60 degrees. I live in New England. And then the next week we had it was 29 degrees. Like it's crazy here. But it looks like this week is all going to be in the 50s and 60s. So that's really really exciting. I cannot wait to get outside and play. But as far as my dining room goes, I am going to be flying through this dining room, and I'm also going to be cleaning our back deck, just the table. The table is super, super gross. We don't go out there in the wintertime, obviously, but it gets filthy, and you guys will see in just a moment.
I have flown like a bird, sailed up and down, when not even a third of my life has gone by. Taking buses and trains, resting in sleeping bags. It's just never enough, I wanna see it all. Glaciers and mountains and the stars in the sky. Far above us, rivers and grass, lands far and wide, where destiny calls us. Smog and all this city gray, feel like a prison cell. The greedy snow.
So, like I said, guys, our dining room table gets just absolutely disgusting. We don't come out here in the wintertime, it's too cold, but it really needed my attention. As the warmer weather comes, we definitely spend more time on our back deck. So, it was so dirty that I actually cleaned it first with an all-purpose cleaner, and then I'm going over it again with glass cleaner just to make it like really streak-free and shiny. And it looks like a million times better when I'm done. The back deck is definitely on my list. I'm not sure if I will film it. I'm going to try my best to, but I really want to clean the back deck. There's just like a lot of kind of just, outdoor toys and just even like trash that needs to get done. It's off camera now. But definitely stay tuned. It will be part of my spring cleaning. I'm pretty sure. I'm almost certain I'll film the deck. So yeah, I'm gonna let some music play for the rest of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I hope it motivated you and inspired you to get up and clean, even if it was just for a little bit. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you next time.
You could be my only one, or you could be all the boys I know. All the games you made for me got me thinking if you're okay. You call me, I'm alone. Maybe I'm just lonely. Oh, keep me up all morning, babe. 'Cause I've been having dreams of you. Back to something. Maybe we could be more than nothing. Maybe we could have it all again. Go low, 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 low. They don't gotta know. So maybe we could have it all again. Maybe I'm falling down without you. Go into hiding. I'll never be flying now. Baby, I look just like the colors. Got me feeling alive. In my mind, it's like butterflies over again. It's like butterflies over again. You could be my only one, or you could be all the boys I know. All the games you made for me